get water from using here.
Dito lang?
Hmm?
Or dispenser?
You can... Ha? Ano?
Or sa dispenser. Mineral water.
Gabi na?
Kaulan lang. Wala? Kaulan lang.
Okay na. Lagay mo. Wait, I'm so much.
Kanti pa.
Konti pa. Go, go, go. Go, go. Go, 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 go. Go,
Doon pwede matulong ka. Ano pwede ko matulong?
Okay. Ano gusto mo matulong?
May ano lang,
Sayang.
Ay, may 4 pieces pa.
nilagay ka na. Wait lang. Oh, Aiden.
Okay.
And then,
Then, mabilis lang. But ito, forgot outside of the ref. Doesn't look good. It
kasi nga.
doesn't look good. Can I have a cup? Ito. Tamalin natin yung pang-et.
Pwede pa?
Pwede pa. Taste ako, pero... Kasi walang space yesterday. I even tried to put it inside the ref. Pero walang space. So, ganun talaga ang buhay. Wait there.
Is this done?
Ako si Dan.
Kailangan pa to. Siguro.
Tapos may,
Ay, di na si... Ah!
sigurado ba kayong pwede pang kainin yung kinakain niyo?
Yes po. Yes po.
Nakita ko bumubula na.
Hindi po. Okay lang po.
Try ko ah.
Hindi, I tried na eh.
Oops. Oo nga, bumubula.
Kaya nga parang feeling ko hindi na eh.
Pwede pa?
Hindi na.
Vicky, pumasok ka sa confession room.
Hindi na.
Hindi na. Diba? Ah!
Daniel!
Sayang naman.
Chef!
Hindi ko alam eh.
Okay.
Para sa akin pwede pa.
No na! No na!
No more? Are you sure?
Yeah! Amoy pa lang. Amoy pa lang. Sa smell.
So I put more fish sauce in.
Sa smell pa lang.
You wanna try? Chef. No? Sige, tangin. Tato natin. Kasi sa tingin-
Sayang!
Oo, kasi sa tingin ko
You
pwede
put
pa.
milk?
Mm.
No!
It was not like that eh. When I put fire, started,
Yeah, the smell is awful.
Sige, tanggalin natin. Tingin ko pwede.
It's over.
It's over.
It's over.
It's a dead man.
It's a dead man. Never.
Alright. Kasi hindi ko alam.
No. No. Why did you have to leave us so soon?
Diba? We just made it yesterday night eh.
But it has milk.
In outside of the ref. Pero it was malamig. Only if they made patay sa fire. Sa aircon.
It was cool.
Kasi walang space. Sayang. I wanted to put it here pero just look. It's puno. Yung sinigang
The
also.
smell is awful. It's not gonna work.
Tapos, okay na lang.
Sinamoy.
Sweet ni Kuya.
Bakit?
Toga na lang and carrots.
Anong sabi ni Kuya?
Sabi niya, Vicky.
Rice and meat na lang. Gusto mo ng toge?
Huwag yun ang kainin yung ano, yung nasa pag daw. Sabi
Gusto,
ko, opo.
gusto niyo ng toge?
Ako okay na ako sa ganyan.
Ako din. Ate, tingnan mo. Okay na.
Oo nga, naamay ko.
Sayang.
Ayaw
Okay
ko
lang.
Na-try ko nga eh. Tapos sabi niya, wala na ba kayo ibang lulutuin? Sabi ko, baka pwede toge.
Sayang. Sayang.
I-keep na lang yung ano, kamatis for tomorrow.
Yan lang ang ulam na ito.
Thanks guys.
Tatanggalin pa yung bula eh.
Thanks for the oil.
Ay, sorry. Enjoy mo naman yun eh. I think.
Alin?
Yung cheese sticks.
Sabi niya, sa akin pwede pa.
Yung... Oo nga.
Sayang. Ako, I would eat it. For me, walang problem.
Ooh!
Lower.
Fire.
Ooh!
Ayoko ng pan na yan. Kanina, kahit
Can I
oil
have,
pa lang
ano?
nagpa-fire siya. Ha?
The cover.
Yung Alpenbach.
Cheese bean.
Saan ko nilagay last eh?
Sarap.
Sarap, sarap. Sarap, sarap. I think we should cover this smell.
Sayang. And I think we should tap on this.
But
It's
it's
ugly. And it's ugly.
Kanina pa yan. Sa bedroom pa.